All right, example 46 says find the equation of the tangent.
I'll say no, sir. It's just that I'm just one step away from the thing.
From finishing.
Yes, sir.
All right, this says find the equation of the tangent to the curve x. So this is a parametric equation is equal to t plus 2 and y is equal to t squared. Dx by dt is equal to 1 and dy by dt is equal to 2t. dy by dx is equal to dy by dt multiplied by dt by dx. So this is 2t multiplied by 1. So the answer here is 2t. Now, when t is equal to 1, x would be equal to 1 plus 2. When t is equal to 1, when t is equal to 1, yes. X would be equal to, and y would be equal to 1 squared. So x would be equal to 3 and y would be equal to 1. So the point 3, 1 is the point of contact. 3, 1 is the point of contact. Now I'm ready for the equation of the tangent. Ooh, and dy by dx, which is the gradient, would be equal to 2 times 1, which would be equal to 2. Now, the equation of the tangent is given by the formula y is equal to m into x minus x naught plus y naught. The input for this equation is m, which is 2, and x naught, y naught, which is the point 3, 1. This is my x naught, y naught. So y would be equal to 2 into x minus 3 plus 1. Distributive law, y is equal to 2x minus 6 plus 1. Y is equal to 2x minus 5 is the tangent to the curve with parametric equation x is equal to t plus 2, y is equal to t squared at the point where t is equal to 1. Did you get it? So example 47, find the equation of the normal to the curve. All right, and we're going to find this at the point where t is equal to pi by 2. So I can start by finding the gradient first, or I could start by finding the point of contact. So let's start by finding the point of contact. Point of contact. And we're looking at when t is equal to pi by 2. We get x is equal to the cosine, 2 sine pi by 2, 2 sine pi by 2. Now, the sine of pi by 2, which is 90, is 1. So the sine of 90 is 1. So when t is pi by 2, x is equal to 2, because 1 times 2 is 2. And y is equal to the cosine of 2 pi by 2. Now, 2 pi by 2 is the same as saying the cosine of pi. Pi is 180 degrees, and the cosine of 180 degrees is minus 1. The cosine of 180 degrees is minus 1. Now, of course, if you don't know these things, you could always just use your calculator. All right, so 2 minus 1 is the point of contact. Let's find the gradient. And we know that dy by dx is going to be equal to the gradient of the tangent. And to get the gradient of the normal, we must invert the gradient of the tangent and change its sign. So x is equal to 2 sine t, and y is equal to cosine 2t. So dx by dt would be equal to differentiate sine and get cos. So this is 2 cos t. Now dy by dt would be equal to differentiate cos to get sine. So it's get minus sine. So it's minus 2 sine 2t. Now dy by dx would be equal to dy by dt multiplied by dt by dx. And so this is equal to minus 2 sine 2t divided by 2 cos t. I'm going to expand out the sine 2t. So this is going to be equal to minus 2, and sine 2t is the same as saying 2 sine t, the cosine of t, and this is divided by 2 times the cosine of t. Cos t cancels cos t, 2 cancels 2. The answer is equal to minus 2 sine t. Now, when t is equal to pi by 2, I'm going to get dy by dx is equal to minus 2 times the sine of pi by 2, because we're looking at when t is equal to pi by 2. The sine of pi by 2 is 1, so this becomes minus 2. All right, so now I have the gradient and I have the point of contact. Now let's go off for the normal. The normal. Now, I'm going to need the gradient. M, the gradient, is equal to a half. The gradient of the tangent is minus 2. To get the gradient of the normal, I must invert the gradient of the tangent and change its sign. And the point of contact is, what was it, 2 minus 1? Point of contact is 2 minus 1. This is my x naught, y naught. This is y is equal to m into x minus x naught plus y naught. That's my formula. So y is equal to a half into x minus 2 plus minus 1. Distributive law, y is equal to a half x minus 1 minus 1. A half of 2 is 1. So you have minus 1 minus 1. And so y is equal to a half x minus 2 is the equation of the normal. Y is equal to a half x minus 2 is the equation of the normal.